I've always loved Dahl's work, So it's kind of, in my heart, which is always a great start for doing an event like this. It's full of magic, It's full of a world that may explode at any moment in a completely, unexpected event. So I think for a theatrical spectacle, it's the most magical start. And for the complete transformation of a city, thinking of how that city would work if, Rolad Dahl was sitting up there and able to play with, the whole street, and whether the laws of physics were abandoned briefly. Yeah, we're trying to play those stories out on a massive, grand, epic scale across the city, but making sure that emotion that's always in Dahl, and emotion that we think of our childhoods and all the big things we were frightened of, is also there as we watch it. And, we're going to be brave and do something unexpected, and the audience will stumble across it and find it. And there'll be, feeds coming in on your phone, and if you're following a character's chase through the street, suddenly he might go down into the sewers, and you follow him on your phone, and he comes out of the sewers in another part of the city, and nothing fantastic is happening. Cardiff, I think absolutely magic for an event of this scale and proportion. I mean, what I love about the city is the fact that it's got these fantastic little intimate spaces, but then it's got fantastic public spaces, and fantastic public grand buildings, so, the castle, it's just a fantasy castle, isn't it? The museum, the beautiful Bute Park, the moat, the wonderful central market. Early on, we thought, well, it would be fantastic to try and work with a really big cross-section of people in Cardiff, but we'd also like to use as many of people's skills as possible that they already have. So people should get onto the website, which is cityoftheunexpected.wales.